Hi guys, and welcome to the official maiden of this Red Bull. Let's just put my battery beeper in. Okay. Radio on. Right. Plug the battery in. So this is quite a compact build. I mean, there's literally not much space. I had to just narrow out, just grind a bit of this off to fit my battery roughly here. And if you tape up your battery like that, then the pilot will still fit. And chopped out a little piece here for the speed controller to fit in. There's a gap here for the spur gear to go through. And yeah, it's a something different, I reckon. So let's see how she flies. I did test fly this in the yard just to see that it all works. And run. I'm going to be quite keen to see what she looks like at a distance. Here we go. The Red Bull. Oh, this battery is a non-starter. Let me put the other battery in. This battery is finished. I can throw it away. I'm going to just put this other one in. So just bear with me. And that's why we have battery alarms. And I've just finished charging this. So if you were to rely just on your auto return to home or your timer, you'd be wondering what was going on. So let's fit this one. Fit that one. And that can go there. And when I put the LiPo alarm, it did read 16.8 volts, by the way. But obviously one cell is toast. 16. So I've got my little LiPo alarm here in the front, just by the way. Very far away from everything. And everything fits. So here we go again. Quick rotate. Still green. So here we go again. ATI mode right here. And 1, 2, 3, and run. This is my oldest unit. It's got, I think, just on 1,000 minutes on it. Alright, here we go. So all up weight here, we're at just over 1,400 grams, but it does have a lot of stuff on it. Cannons, rockets. Let's test the GPS. We have there. Looks good. A bit windy, but nothing strange. very skinny fuselage. So I'm going to rely heavily on the Red Bull logo to give me orientation. Back to Atty, and let's give it a gentle fly. Nothing drastic. Well, it's not quite pretty, eh? I mean, it's not completely ugly. Look, it'll be as fast as it's always been. But I don't fly this for speed. I fly this for scale. I wanted to just check for some vibrations, so I'm going to just bring her into GPS mode here. There's GPS. Let me bring it a bit lower. Let's have a look. Yeah, I don't see any vibrations, any micro vibrations. Looks good. Back to Atty. I mustn't forget that they have planted trees here, so I can't go too low. Very nice. Guys, this looks like it's going to be one of my most popular builds, because I've already sold quite a few and it's only been a few days. I've actually realized that the tanks, the front of the tanks are red, so when that's facing me, then I know it's forward. They act like little lights. I can still see them. In fact, I can still see the there. That's about where I'm at. But if you just keep moving, then you shouldn't lose orientation. And if you do, you just flick it to GPS until you've gained your composure. A little bit of height. Full forward. Okay, nice. Nice and gentle. No reason to be a hero. Pretty smooth. Oh, I actually wanted to up the head speed, but I don't think it actually needs it. I think it's at 70%. I wanted to go to 75, but from what I can see, I'll have a quick look on the PC when I get home to see what the head speed is at. Looks good. Nice. Guys, thanks so much for supporting, and I think on a fresh battery, I think these are a bit toasty. You should get 16 to 18 minutes on this. I won't try that now because these batteries are a little poked. As you saw, the last one didn't even last 30 seconds, so that I can actually throw in the bin. I was a bit nervous about the orientation. When flying, but if you just keep it moving, and there's the Red Bull, I can see it, so that does help. Full speed. I think that's a hit. I think that's a hit, guys. We are on the 9 minutes now, so let me land it and we'll call that a success. We'll call that a success.